In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the burst photo mode on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now, if you have enabled the timer feature in the camera app of your iPhone, you will notice that as you capture a photo, it will start capturing burst photos, just like that. Now, if you want to turn off the burst photo feature, just open the camera app, then tap on the 6 dots in the camera app. Now after you do that, a pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Now from here, just tap on the timer feature and turn off the timer on your iPhone. And after you turn off the timer, you will disable the burst photo mode on your iPhone, just like that. Now if you want to use the timer feature, but if you want to turn off burst photo mode, now there is only way to do that. For that, just go back to the camera app, and from here, just tap on the 6 dots. Now, if you enable the timer feature, it will turn on burst photo mode. But if you want to disable it, just tap on live photo and enable the live feature in the camera app of your iPhone. After you enable live photos, then if you capture a photo, as you can see, the timer feature is enabled, but we have disabled the burst photo feature, and instead it will capture a live photo, just like that. Now if you want to disable the volume up button from capturing burst photos, so just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on camera, and under the camera settings you will find a feature called use volume up for burst. Now just disable this toggle. After you disable use volume up for burst, you will not be able to use the volume up button to capture burst photos. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off burst photo mode on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.